Well, a couple of things that you should look at is, do you want to make it your forever home where you can enjoy the kitchen yourself, or are you looking to possibly renovate your kitchen just to sell your house in a couple of years? We need to know possibly what your budget would be, and if you're taking care of your grandchildren, if you need a space for them in your kitchen to take care of them while you're preparing meals. These are all part of the things that we need to ask you before we can actually get going.